Hi everyone! Ahojte! Adjectives help you describe people, places, and things, making your conversations more expressive and natural. Today, in Linguarte, we'll go over the 50 most common adjectives in Slovak with pronunciation and examples. Let's start! Začíname! Some of the most used adjectives, called in Slovak prídavné mená, are dobrý, dobrá, dobré, good. Zlý, zlá, zlé, bad. Veľký, veľká, veľké, big. Malý, malá, malé, small. Nový, nová, nové, new. Starý, stará, staré, old. Rôzny, rôzna, rôzne, different. Rovnaký, rovnaká, rovnaké, the same. As you can see, adjectives have 3 different endings. I, a, e. Each of them is used depending on the noun they describe. If the noun is masculine, the adjective needs the letter I. If feminine, the letter a, and the letter e if the noun is neuter. Some adjectives commonly used to describe people and their appearance are vysoký, tall, nízky, short, pekný, beautiful or handsome, škaredý, ugly, múdry, smart, hlúpy, dumb, silný, strong, slabý, weak, mladý, young, starý, old, nudný, boring, zábavný, fun, zaujímavý, interesting. And what about the adjectives that are used to describe emotions? Here are some of them. Šťastný, happy. Smutný, sad. Unavený, tired. Nahnevaný, angry. Prekvapený, surprised. Nervózny, nervous. Relaxovaný, relaxed. Vystresovaný, stressed. For describing objects, places, and things, we have the following ones. Drahý, expensive. Lacný, cheap. Čistý, clean. Špinavý, dirty. Rýchly, fast. Pomalý, slow. Long, dlhý. Short, krátký. Finally, some other very important adjectives are horúci, hot, studený, cold, tvrdý, hard, mäkký, soft, ťažký, heavy, ľahký, light, jednoduchý, simple, komplikovaný, complicated, prvý, first, posledný, last, skorý, early, neskorý, late, verejný, public, súkromný, private, dôležitý, important. Now it's your time to practice. Try to say the following words in Slovak. Big, Veľký. The same. Rovnaký. Interesting. Zaujímavý. Very well done! Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this topic. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe! Bye! Ciao!